Aloha and welcome to C409 and Makaha Surfside. Come on in. As soon as you enter the property and turn, all you can see is these amazing views with the different colors of blue, the palm trees, and the pool right outside your living and dining room area. So Makaha Surfside is amazing with the way that they set these up with the lanai overlooking, and you get this amazing breeze. So the west side gets this really bad rep for how hot it always is, right? But we're in August, middle of the day, and with everything open, it's super comfortable in here. So as you look out, you can see where the sauna is. You've got barbecues. You've got a little place to sit with your covered patio to eat if you barbecue out there. And then there are the 3 access points to get outside of the gate and really close to the shoreline for the ocean so you can fully enjoy this. So just something to think about. You know, when you go Waikiki, there's all the hustle and bustle and there's all the places to eat and places to walk and that kind of thing versus being out here and it's so quiet. There's not a lot of traffic and your neighbor is the friends in the sea, right? So just a little bit different. This property has the vinyl plank flooring going throughout the living dining room area. You've got a nice set of cabinets, stainless stove, and a new stainless refrigerator. You've got some storage space here and a full bathroom to your left. That's gonna have plenty of storage for anything that you need. And then as you come into the 1 bedroom, oh my goodness, there is just so much closet space. I don't even think I could fill this up with everything they have going on in here. So great place to be, to relax, to enjoy. You do have mountain ranges right behind you, so gorgeous views on either side. You're getting the mountains and the beaches, which is what makes Hawaii so special that we have both of those in one location. If you are interested in taking a tour of this property, please reach out 808-829-6819. Mahalo.